Inside this lecture we are going to discuss about class and ID. So open your code editor and save as this file by giving the name class -id.html and just save. I'm just going to remove all this from the body area and from the style tag and just change CSS. You can say class and ID. This is the title, and you can just preview the page here, class and ID. So we are just calling or declaring, specifying a class with a dot sign. So I'm just writing inside comments class with a dot sign, and you can just duplicate this. You can say ID with a hash sign. This is the difference between class and ID. Let me just create heading 2. So I'm just writing here, this is the first example. You can just duplicate this just like this. This is the first, this is the second example, this is the third example, number 4th, just for you, number 5th. That's enough. Let's just remove the last one and just save this, go to your browser and refresh. So you can see this is the preview. This all just heading 2. I want to give a red text color for the first one, the green, the blue, the black, and the orange one. So just like this. So the only, if you are just going to select the heading 2 here, and you can say the text color maybe something like red, it will be applied on the all of them, you can see. So this is not the solution. The solution is you need to just create a class here, equal sign, double quotation, or you can use here single quotation. You can just give a name here. For example, heading 1, you can say just something like this. You can just give double edge 1, or you can just copy this class, Control C, you can paste here, here, inside just heading 2, everywhere. This just double edge 2, this double edge 3, this double edge 4, and this double edge 5. Now we have just a solution for this. As I told, we are calling a class with dot double edge 1. This is just for color red. You can just save this and refresh. So the first one is red, and just duplicate this by pressing Ctrl plus D or Command plus D. You can just duplicate. The text color should be green one. You can just duplicate for double edge 3. The text color can be something like maybe blue color. And once again you can duplicate double edge 4. You can say the text color can be just black color. It's okay. Once again you can duplicate the last one, double edge 5, dot double edge 5. We are calling a class with dot and the name of that class. You can say just pink color. Save and refresh. Now you can see we have just 5 different color for the same heading. That's called heading 2. The only solution is class and ID. Now if I am just using ID here, save. So we are calling just ID with the hash sign. This is the difference between class and ID. You can see there is no difference. I have just refreshed the web page. So we can call just ID with the hash sign, and we can just call a class with the dot sign. So we can use class and ID when we want to give different style for the same element, as we used here. For example, 5 times heading 2 here we have used here. So we have just given a class with different class names, then you have just selected these class names with dot, and for class with hash for ID. We have just given here a different text color. For example, you can say the background for this should be yellow, For the first one, yellow double L. Save and refresh. Now you can see for the second one, you can see the background color maybe just orange color, and for the third one you can see the background color can be something like again yellow, and for this one the background color is white. Okay, or just let's change this to something like pink color, and for the last one you can see the background color can be just green. You can save and refresh. Now you can see we have different text color, different background color, just by using class and id just for the same element, that's heading 2. Like this, for just better practicing, you can just insert 5 time or 6 time article tag or p tag. You can just copy and paste, or you can write some random text inside that article tag, and you can just create some class and some id like this. The only difference that I can see between class and id, that we can call an id with a hash sign and we can call a class with the dot sign. This is the difference, the big difference between class and id. So we are not going to make this video just lengthier than this. So I hope you are understand, and this video is helpful for you. I hope you have enjoyed from watching this video. So once again, I'm just going to tell you that please practice, watch the video and try to understand the concept and do practice. Have a nice time and see you.